Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for symmetry in 2 dimension. Let us take a look. Number 1, for each of the following shapes, copy the shape. Okay, draw in any lines of symmetry. Okay, let us keep it here. So for the line symmetry, when we cut the mirror, they will have the equal line. So for A, yeah, when we cut here, so up and down they are gonna be equal. Second, okay, we can cut it here. Let us make it equal. Yeah, let me use a ruler. So here the first. Okay, we got. Okay, left hand side gonna be equal. Next. Okay, when we cut mirror, they are gonna be equal. And the last line here. Okay, so we got 3. Okay, for the square, can starting with horizontal line. So when we cut, up and down are equal. And here, when we cut, left and right are gonna be equal. Next, the diagonal line, when we cut it, yeah, they're gonna be equal. Another diagonal line. So when we cut it, so the diagonal, they're gonna be equal. Next for D. Okay, has the diagonal. Okay, we can see from here. Okay, we cut it. So they are symmetry. When we cut it, we get the 2 equal sides. Here also, when we cut it, we get 2 equal length. And then from here also we can cut it up and down. Okay, another line symmetry. There it is. Next, for the star. Yeah, this is quite a lot. So let's start from here. When we cut it, it's gonna be symmetry line 1. Next. Okay, from here we got 2. Next, from here we cut it 3. Okay, from here 4. And is the last 5. Use blue. Okay, there it is. They are equal. F as the diagonal. Okay, we cannot make it as symmetry, so we can just make it up and down here first. And the second. Next, G. Okay, up and down. Here is not symmetry when we cut it, so we can make it this first. First symmetry line. And here is the second symmetry line. H. Can we cut somehow? Yeah, H is there is no symmetry line. Okay, to determine the order of rotational symmetry. So the rotational symmetry, when we rotate, example here we rotate, let me rotate. Yeah, when we rotate, can we rotate from here? Oh, no, we cannot rotate it. There is no rotation here. Yeah, when we rotate, it will be the same exactly as the first shape. So A, we rotate to the 36 degree, so there is no rotational symmetry. Here for the triangle, first one is gonna be here, and then we can make it again rational. It will be here. This is the same as before, and it's gonna be here. So the order of rational symmetry for B, there are 3. For the square, every time we rotate it's gonna be equal, so there are 4. Here also, when we rotate also it's gonna be equal again. Like first, it's gonna be, okay, let's example, number 1 is gonna be here, and we rotate again, number 1 will be here, rotate again, number 1 next will be here, and will be here. So 4 times. Next for the star, it's gonna be from here 1, and then 1 gonna be here again, is there are 5. F is when we rotate, first rotation is not is equal, so we only got 2. G only 2. H when we rotate 90 degree no equal. Okay, when we rotate 180, it's gonna be 2. Okay, number 2. How many lines of symmetry does a rhombus have? Draw a diagram to show your solution. Here is the rhombus. That is not the rhombus. Here it is. So the first line, we cannot make it like this, up and down. However, we can here, as they are equal, so we can write the rational symmetry is the diagonal line. Here, if they are equal, we can make it the size. Okay, so only 2. So A, only 2. So what is the order of rotational symmetry of the rhombus? Okay, we rotate again. So here is, okay, I can draw it. Here is the first rotation. Yes, gonna be like this. So here is, we do not count it. Next after this is will be here. Yeah, we can count it as 1. So let's say these are all equal. Then again, next rotation is gonna be like this again. Here we cannot count it, and come back again to its own position. So the order of rotational symmetry, there are 2. Number 3, draw a quadrilateral that has no line symmetry and there is no. Okay, this is, it can be any, but quadrilateral there are 4 sides. So for instance, I will make it here this. Yeah, when we rotate there is no line symmetry, 0 line symmetry, and no rotational symmetry. Okay, there it is. Thank you.